The ongoing legal battle over the massive estate of late businessman Sunjay Kapur is becoming increasingly complicated. Sunjay Kapur, who tragically passed away while playing polo in Windsor, UK, on 12 June 2025, left behind an estate valued at approximately 30,000 crore rupees. Since his death, a fierce dispute has erupted over who will inherit his vast fortune. Sunjay's two children from his marriage to Bollywood actor Karisma Kapoor recently approached the Delhi High Court, seeking their rightful share of their father's estate by filing a civil suit. The children claim that their stepmother, Priya Sachdev Kapur, Sunjay's third wife, has attempted to forge their father's will to gain full control over his assets. Represented legally by their mother as their guardian, the children have demanded that the court fairly divide the estate, provide a full account of the assets, and prevent Priya Kapur and others from exercising unfair control. They argue that they lack complete information about all the properties and assets their father owned at the time of his death. The children have submitted a schedule of known properties but accuse Priya Kapur of concealing details and withholding the full extent of the estate. During the court proceedings, Priya Kapur's lawyer Rajiv Nayyar took a dig at Karisma Kapoor, stating that she had been nowhere to be seen for the last 15 years after separating from Sunjay Kapur. He also urged sympathy for Sunjay Kapur, noting that he died while playing polo. The children maintain that they shared a close relationship with their father until his sudden demise. They traveled together, went on holidays, and were regularly involved in both his business and personal life. According to them, Sunjay had repeatedly assured them of their financial security and future well-being. They further claimed that their father had initiated business ventures in their names, acquired assets personally and through corporate entities, and named them as beneficiaries of the family trust. Following Sunjay Kapur's death, the children performed his final rites, with their son lighting the funeral pyre at Lodhi cremation ground on 19 June. However, tensions escalated soon after. The children accuse Priya Kapur of restricting their access to trust-related documents and financial assets. They allege she initially denied the existence of any will, claiming that all assets were held under the RK family trust, but later produced a document dated 21 March 2025, which she described as a will. This sudden change raised suspicions of forgery and manipulation. Additionally, the children say they were summoned to corporate meetings of Sona BLW Precision Forgings Limited, Sona Comstar, and were asked to sign legal paperwork without full transparency regarding the trust deed or associated records. This case is still developing and highlights the complexities and emotional challenges often involved in family disputes over wealth. We will continue to follow the story and provide updates as it unfolds.